kilograms from previous years, though. Let me just double check through here. He did a 205 actually last year at the Europeans, so 205 is indeed his PB. So we're 4 kilograms off of that.
Oh, superb leg strength. Stood up with that like it was an empty bar. Such a tall lift, that's a long way for the bar to travel, but he does it with ease. Looks so focused, so determined.
Yeah, the Markov strut off the platform to just exude a little more confidence. Say that he is in charge of this competition, and he very much is now. 376 is his total, with a 175 snatch, a 201 clean and jerk. There we go. 6 kilograms ahead of Malagov. Oh, sorry, 10 kilograms.